Okay, so now we're entering the sheep area because my son has never seen so many sheep live before. He was scared. Oh. Oh. Isn't this one beautiful? Look at him. It's a he. Oh. Oh. And now the gentleman here is explaining to him all sorts of things about what they eat, what they drink, how they look after them. İçine, içine. Ah. Oh, there's a kind of an excitement going on here. Oh, they want food apparently. Okay. Honestly, I've never been so close to a herd of sheep before. Honestly, this is fun. Oh, someone is in a hurry for food again. Oh, apparently they had intentions of leaving the premises, but no, it's time to eat and time to go to bed.